Hello, all Basic One learners. Welcome back to Fante Kasesia. This is Mr. Apiaminta. I'm very happy to have you here once again as we keep learning Fante. In today's Fante lesson, I'm going to help you to do something. I'll be right back. Thank you for staying with me. In today's lesson, I'm going to help you to talk about yourself. Yes, to talk about yourself. In Fante, we say muhasam, muhasam. Many students in Basic 1 find it difficult to talk about themselves because they do not know the words or what to talk about. First, to tell people about yourself in Fante, you tell them your name. So in English, we say, my name is. In Fante, we say this. Please say this after me. Midzinze. Midzinze. So that is my name is. So put your name there. Now let's go again. Midzinze. That's excellent. I hope you placed your name right there. Let's go to the second thing you would usually do when you are talking about yourself in Fante. People would want to know how old you are. So, talking about yourself in Fante, you tell them your age. So we say this in Fante, medzimfe, medzimfe, which means I am so and so years old. If you are 6 years, we say esia. If you are 7, we say eson. If you are 8, we say awotwe. Put your age there. Let's start again. Medzimfe. That's good. Now, telling people about yourself, they would also want to know where you are from. I mean, your hometown or your town of origin. So with this, we say in Fante, Mifi. Then you add the name of your hometown. So I have some selected towns here. I have Nkran, which is Accra in English. I have Otsu, a town in the central region of Ghana. I have Edina, which is also a town in the central region of Ghana. I have Takwa. If you are listening to me from Takwa, you can say, I am from Takwa, Mifi Takwa. We also have Takradze, Takradze, which is Takrade in English. So which of these towns is your hometown? Of course, your hometown might not be in my list. So please, let's say it again and place the name of your hometown there. Ready? Mifi. That is excellent. Now let's say you are talking to someone on phone. They are not seeing you face to face. They would want to know your skin color or complexion. So we say this in Fante, meyenyipa. Then you add your complexion. So I have some examples here. If you are fair in complexion, we say meyenyipa koko. Meyenyipa koko. When you are dark in complexion like myself, you say meyenyipa tuntum. Meyenyipa tuntum. Now, repeat this after me and fix whether you are fair in complexion or dark in complexion. Are you ready? Let's go. Meyenyipa. That is good. After talking about your skin color or your complexion, it is now time to tell them your height. Whether you are tall, you are short, you are fat or skinny. There are so many ways to describe your appearance. If you are short, you say meyenyipa tietia. Meyenyipa tietia. If you are tall, you say meyenyipa tsintin. Meyenyipa tsintin. What if you are slim? You say meyenyipa tia tia. Meyɛ nyimpa tia tia. I know some people who are short and fat at the same time. So how do you say this in Fante? You say meyɛ nyimpa tia kɛse. Meyɛ nyimpa tia kɛse. Next is a very important thing to talk about when talking about yourself, is to tell the person the school you attend. Okay, how do you say this in Fante? We say moko school wo. Moko school wo, which is I attend school at. Moko school wo. Then you add the name of your school. I believe you all know the full names of your school. That is good. Well, I have some selected schools name here. I have Gogo Memorial Schools Complex. I have SEM Educational Complex. I have Kings Hills Educational Complex. All these schools are in Takwa, but you know the name of your school. Let me say it and you tell us the name of your school or where you attend school. Ready? So we say Moko School Wo. That is excellent. You added your school's name. Thank you. Now that you have informed people about the school you attend or the name of your school, you'd also continue by telling them the class. Which class are you in the school you have just mentioned? So in Fante we say Mijina Jina Pen. Mijina Jina Pen. So that is I am in class. Then you add the name of your class. If you are in class 1, like you are in now, you say Kwar. So Mijina Jina Pen Kwar. Mijina Jina Pen Kwar. If you are in class 2 or basic 2, you say Mijina Jina Pen Ebien. Mijina Jina Pen Ebien. We are left to 2 more to go, right? 2 more things to talk about yourself, and these are also very important. Next is you tell them the food you like best, okay? So that maybe you visit them, they can prepare this food for you so that you enjoy. So you say this in Fante, Edzibana me penye. Edzibana me penye. That is, the food I like best is. I know now as you sit there listening to this lesson, you know your favorite food, right? The food you like best, you know it. So tell us the food you like best. Now let me give you some list of foods. Maybe the food you like best is here. Fufu na biankwan. Emo na edua frowe. Itso na chinam. Wachi. Mfansedokun na kako frowe. Oye dewe. We are coming to the end of our lesson today. But hey, please do something for me if you have not done that. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Share the video. When you subscribe to my channel, you would always get a new video anytime I post here. Yes, that is why I'm asking you to subscribe, okay? Last on the list of things that you would tell people about yourself is the game you like best. The game you like best. So in Fante, we say Agora me penye. Agora me penye. The game I like best is, then you add it. What is your favorite game? Well, boys will usually say football. In Fante, we say ball bo. Ball bo. And girls will usually say ampe. So, whatever you like, you write. Agora me penye ball bo. Agora me penye ampe. This is where we bring our lesson to an end, but let me give you an assignment. Very important one. We mentioned 2 games that students may like best: football and ampe. Please, in the comment section with the help of your mother, kindly tell me extra games that you like best. You can write that in your exercise book and show this to your teacher, okay? This is Ochechrenyi Apia-Mensah. I'm very happy to have you here on the channel today. Please remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Let's meet again on another interesting, educative lesson here on the channel. See you. Bye-bye.